Hello? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter in your vehicle. First, open the bonnet and secure it with the support rod. Next, locate the air filter box and identify the correct tool to remove the screws. In my case, it's a Torx T25 screwdriver. Remove all the bolts holding the cover in place, then lift off the cover and take out the old air filter. Insert the new air filter. Making sure it's seated properly. Reattach the cover. Tighten the screws, and you're done. You've successfully changed the air filter in your vehicle.